Hello, hi everyone. So today we are going to learn how to make these beautiful plumeria paintings. This is a watercolor paint in a watercolor paper. I did 4 of these because they are so fun to do it and easier, very easy to do. For the tools that you are going to need, of course, is going to be, your paper, a board like this one, so you can, tape it all around so it won't move. And for the tools, of course, it's going to be a pencil and eraser for sketching, 2 round brushes, number 8, number 5, 2 watercolor pencils, gray color. One is going to be darker than the other one. The reason for this is to make, the details of the petals. You don't really need to use this one. You can use it. You can do it with your, number 5 brush. But let me tell you, since this very small painting is going to be hard to do it, so if you want to make your life easier, just do it with a pencil. And container for mixing your paint, your water, and some tissue for cleaning your brush. And finally, you're going to need your fine point marker so you can sign and date the painting, because since it's very small painting, I like to use, fine point marker, because for, a brush is kind of a little bit hard to do it. And yeah, that's pretty much what you need. And, optional, some music, and yeah. So let's go and start the painting. First, you have to sketch a plumeria drawing. Remember, you don't need to replicate a reference picture exactly. It is simply there to guide you on the plumeria's appearance. Once your sketch is complete with the area where you will be painting, especially the plumeria flowers, while the paper is still wet, apply yellow to the center of each plumeria flower. Then add a touch of red in the middle to create a subtle shadow effect. To create a shadow for the plumeria petals, mix white and black to make gray. Apply this gray to the petals area that will naturally be in shadow. After finish the petals, move to the leaves. You can create a green for the leaves by mixing green with black, or mixing green with white and a little yellow. For the background, mix some of the same green you use for the leaves with a little more yellow to create a yellowish green shade. Apply this to the background area between the leaves and the petals. Next, continue the background, but this time dilute the paint with more water. Next, continue painting the background, but this time dilute the paint with more water to create more solidly wash. Later, you can go back and repaint the background to add more color and detail, making it more vibrant. You might also want to darken the background further to make the plumeria flowers stand out more prominently. Once the plumeria leaves are dry, apply a second layer of paint using different greens, perhaps one that's yellowish green. For even more vibrance, apply a third layer of paint to the leaves. Using a watercolor pencil, outline all the petals of the plumeria. After the plumeria flowers are completely dry, use your watercolor pencil to add details of the petals. If you feel the plumeria leaves needs more darker, go back and apply a darker green. Finally, to make the tips of the plumeria stand out more from the background, outline them. Once you are happy with your painting, sign it and date it. So for my third painting, I add some branches because I think it looks more interesting. So what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. And that's everything for today, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye!